Hello, it's me again, Peter Aziz. Today I'm going to be talking about the upcoming webinar on choosing to be a winner. So the present problems people are dealing with, they might be making success in certain areas of life with certain manifestation techniques, but as a whole, the life isn't a success. To clear one area, problems appear somewhere else. What this webinar is going to be dealing with is making your life a success as a whole. To do this, we're going to be looking at early choices you made. There are some fundamental choices in life that decide whether you're on the path of the winner or a loser. Well, they never chose to actually be a loser. Some of the other choices are affecting you that way. So this webinar is carrying on from things we've done in the last few months about digging deep into these choices, understanding fundamental choices that really change this whole pattern, and using a powerful technique of threading the needle to go deep into these fundamental choices to make a massive change. So you've done this work, everything changes around. From that moment you've changed the fundamental choices, it colors every other choice you make. All your choices then will be leading to success. You're making the right choice in life to succeed at everything, and life as a whole changes. So you move towards manifesting your dreams and fulfilling the purpose of which you came. So the technique is going to be using things we used before, the meditation we call threading the needle, but we're going deeper this time, discovering all the other layers we haven't dealt with yet to go deep into those fundamental choices to make it change permanently. So from this point on, you expect your life to change. No more problems keep occurring, although there's to be some challenges, of course. You get stronger with each one and move more and more towards the success you came here to create and watch your dreams unfolding.